Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online portfolio with Behance step by step clearly. To secure your online portfolio on Behance, start by visiting the Behance website. Log into your Behance account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In your profile menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Privacy section. Here, you will find options to manage the visibility of your projects. To make your portfolio more secure, consider setting your profile to private. This option will restrict access to your projects to only those you invite. If you prefer to keep your profile public, you can still control project visibility individually. Click on each project you want to secure and select Edit Project. In the project settings, look for the visibility options. You can choose to make the project private, allowing only invited users to view it. After adjusting the visibility settings, save your changes. Next, consider watermarking your images before uploading them to Behance. This adds an extra layer of protection to your visual content. When you upload new projects, always review the visibility settings prior to publishing. Regularly audit your existing projects to ensure that the privacy settings are up to date. Lastly, be cautious about sharing your profile link online. Share it only with trusted contacts or potential clients. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your online portfolio on Behance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.